All right, artists, now you're going to use your scissors to cut on those lines that you created. And you'll just build your puzzle here like we've done in the past. So take your time, stay on top of those lines that you drew for yourself. If you get off the line, just back up, try again. So I like to build my puzzle as I go. It's up to you what you want to do. Cut on those lines that you created for yourself, and then build your puzzle before you come back to the cut. All right, just like that. And put your scissors back because we're done with those. Come back to the carpet. Have fun.